Okay, so this was just an update on putting in the new motor. So I was able to mate the new one onto the gearbox. So good size fit. Um, One of the added benefits is you get some where it's going to be a little bit more bottom heavy. So its center of gravity will be better, excuse me. Um, Pretty straightforward. I had some spare wire there that matches up from a WPL, so the connection was the same. Um, I don't remember exactly what size this is. To give you a better idea, this is the stock motor. So coming from the top. And from the side. So it definitely has some size on it and some weight. Um, Not bad on the gears. I've ran it and opened up the gearbox again. No problem. The good thing is either way, um, there is replacement parts for these, so I'll probably get a couple of them due to the fact that it's plastic. I also want to look into seeing if I have any spare parts there that can replace the differential there. Um, so that I can, end up putting some metal parts. I was able to do it with my old Dramata, so hopefully you can get something with this. And then basically just move the shock mount locations further down. Just has a little shaft where the bolt goes to keep it stabilized. Sorry on the lighting. But basically right under there. And just moved it down a notch to where that's the factory location. I kept the angle the same. I didn't switch it back, and I'm not going to switch this one forward because I don't want it hitting against the the axle right there, especially up here because where it pivots and turns. So getting this on there, the motor's not really that much louder than the original, so I'll give you an idea. And I've managed to drive it already a little bit over some obstacles, and it definitely pulls its weight. I've packed it down with about 3 pounds of weight on top. Still pulls hard, still goes over obstacles. So just to let others know, it can be done. I wanted a little bit more power. I'm always finding a way to modify these things. But yeah, it works well, and all I had to do is kind of not the cleanest. I'm gonna end up smoothing that out with a grinder with a little Dremel tool, but it does fit on there well, and once everything goes in, it does mount back up to where it should be. And you can kind of see it from there. But yeah, overall, very pleased with the fact that I was able to upgrade the motor. Really want to see this thing with some solid, some metal wheels, and see if I can beef up the differential there. So it'll definitely be a little project, but I'll try to keep it updated as I go along. But yeah, again, if you're interested in trying to upgrade the motor on this, it's definitely possible. There were several little can motors that work well. I just decided to go with that size, and it definitely is a little bit more RPMs on the motor that I swapped in. If I can find the size, I will try, but to give you reference, I even used some of these little can motors, and those handle as well too. You just need to remember the voltage that it's going to be using. But yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. I hope you guys like the information, and if you're interested in future content, consider subscribing, and I'll keep you updated, and we'll see where this goes. Thanks, and have a great day, and excuse the camera work. I'm trying to hold with one hand and move the stuff with the other. Have a great day.